Resurfacing a brake disc has its pros and cons, and it is a method used by many to extend the life of their brake components. On the positive side, resurfacing can smooth out grooves or uneven surfaces on the brake disc, which improves braking performance and reduces noise. This process can make the braking system more efficient and responsive. Additionally, resurfacing is generally less expensive than replacing the brake discs entirely, making it a cost-effective solution for minor wear and tear. In many countries, this method is popular as a way to save money and extend the lifespan of existing parts instead of investing in new ones. However, there are some downsides to consider. Resurfacing removes a layer of metal from the disc, which can make it thinner and more prone to overheating and warping under heavy use. This can compromise the integrity and safety of the brake system over time. Furthermore, if the discs are too worn or damaged, resurfacing might not be a viable option and replacement could be necessary. Thinner discs can also wear out faster, potentially leading to more frequent maintenance. It's important to weigh these factors and consult with a professional to determine the best course of action for your vehicle's brake system. While resurfacing can be a great way to save money and extend the life of your brakes, it's crucial to ensure that safety and performance are not compromised.